So, madam, it is our very first interaction and we are very first meeting. So, can you please introduce yourself as we can
Yes,
proceed our conversation?
yes. First of all, welcome in the session, sir. Good morning. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am comes from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher. And I usually teach English in 11th and 12th classes. And I am a mother also. If I talk about my hobbies, so take care of plants, gardening. These are my hobbies. And I am a language enthusiast. Nowadays, I am learning this language. So that's all about me.
Okay, great. Now it is my turn to introduce to you. So, madam, my name is Ikram Ali. I am from Pakistan. By profession, I am also a teacher like you. And I also teach English and chemistry in high school. And it has been 2 months. I'm also a YouTube creator and I also upload the videos that I converse with someone like you and then I edit and upload on my YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Amazing, Sen. And
So as you said that you are a teacher. So are you a government teacher or a private teacher?
I am a government teacher.
Oh wow, that's great. So are you teaching in high school, primary?
High school, in high school.
Okay. So what subject do you teach?
I teach only English. Sen. Not like that. I can teach chemistry. It's a both are different, especially in India. So in India, we have in a different stream. If you are taking the PCM, that time you have to take the math, chemistry, and physics. If you are go for the medical stream, so you have to take physics, chemistry, and biology. And if you are taking any art stream, so you can take English, history, political science, economics, drawing, home science, these kind of the subject. So we have a different stream in India.
Okay. So madam, how long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching last 5 years.
Last 5 years. Before that, you were also teaching, and you have started teaching after getting a government job.
Could you repeat, please?
I'm asking that did you were you also teaching in any private sector after getting a government job you have started?
And not in private sector. I work as a LDC, as a clerical staff earlier, and after that I also worked as a primary teacher of the mathematics. And nowadays I am a PGT teacher in high school. That is called in Rajasthan, especially school lecturer.
Okay, so you are a school lecturer.
Yeah.
Okay, great, great. So I think nowadays there is a summer vacation in Rajasthan.
Yeah.
So how many months there is a summer vacation?
Only for 1 month. Our
Okay,
school will reopen on 21st June.
21st June.
Yes.
Okay, so now you are enjoying your summer vacation at home.
Yes, yes. And what kind of status in Pakistan about the summer vacation? Is it
Madam,
ongoing?
no, actually, nowadays there is a papers going on from board paper exams. So from 1st January, 1st June to 31st July, 2 months, there is a summer vacation in Pakistan.
On 2 months for summer vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's a fantastic.
Yes, ma'am. So, madam, where you are living in Rajasthan? Are you living in Bekaner?
Sorry,
Are you living in a Bekaner city in Rajasthan?
I don't know about the city name. I live in you can say if you know about Hanumangarh,
Mhm.
but it is not you can say big city, is a small town.
Okay. So, madam, actually, Rajasthan, I'm also near to Rajasthan and Gujarat because I'm living in the Sindh, right? So there is a third desert. It is also in Rajasthan as well. So I'm not actually from the third desert, but Thar is very near from my village or from my hometown. So are you also near to the Pakistani border, or you are too away from the
Yes,
Pakistan
yes.
border?
We are also near to the Pakistan border.
So how many kilometers away is Pakistani border from your home place? Have you ever been to Pakistani border?
Not much more, but I have been Jaisalmer and Bikaner. That time we can see, and also sometime I have I been in the Punjab. So sometime I get chance. One of my friend, she lived in a village name of Siwana, that is in Punjab. So we can see the wiring or border area of the Punjab and in between the Pakistan.
Hmm. So, madam, Rajasthan and Punjab are the adjacent states, right? These are very
Yeah.
near states.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. But from my hometown, from my home, Gujarat is very nearer, and then there comes Rajasthan, and after Rajasthan there comes Punjab.
Our Rajasthan, there is a village that is called Hindumal Kot. It is the nearer to the Pakistan.
Okay, great, great. So, madam, what
Have
do you
you
do in
also
your
been
free
in India?
time? No, no. Actually, I have been to Pakistan and India border.
Okay.
That's it. I have never been to India.
Okay. So how can you manage chemistry or English both subjects? So how can you manage the chemistry or English? Both are teaching. They both are the different subject.
Actually, I teach chemistry. I teach English on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So there are two platforms.
Okay. Fantastic. So carry on. Have you any question?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
kind of weather nowadays in Pakistan?
Weather is moderate here in Pakistan. Not that there is a cold, neither it is a summer. So weather is fine, ma'am.
Okay, and nowadays what kind of crops in your in your locality, your area? What kind of veggies and fruit in the especially the summer?
In summer, the mango is underway because after 15 or 20 days, we will eat mango. And in summer, mango is very famous in Pakistan. And as far as the crop is concerned, so our farmers are sowing the paddy, rice.
Nowadays? Okay, okay. And did you get rain last week?
No, no, ma'am. There was no any rain